All right, so I was curious what you guys thought about these kind of computer racks. These had pretty good handles on them. They were in. Somebody did a bunch of weird stuff. They removed stuff they probably shouldn't have. I don't know why he did or what was in this thing, but basically he pulled some labels off of them, or the company did. These had those Asus boards in them. And let's see. So there's an interesting thing. There's only one fan right here. Why they did that, I don't know. There's apparently a screw missing here. Interesting. I wonder why there's so many screws missing out of this crap. So these, I don't know what they had in them. I think they had like some crazy audio cards or something, or video cards for video production. And these were put together by a company called Integrity Pro Racks. I don't know if they're still around anymore. They've got their serial number and everything. So they built these for these broadcast companies. So you've got your power coming in through here. And I believe, let's see here. We just added a couple of drives in it. But literally I paid $5 for two of these. You can see the thing. I looked at the USB and said it was crooked. He was like, dude, just grab the other one and take them both. Because he already took whatever he wanted out of them. But so they've got these nice little doors on them. I mean, they're really burly. And you have your drive here. And they were meant to be lockable. I obviously don't have the key, nor do I care. But what do you guys think about using these for like a really good computer build? Now this here goes in somewhere over here. I can't remember, and it's for the power supply. I think it sits like this. I'm trying to remember. Anyway, get these rack-mounted handles. Which actually, I'm almost wondering if they're the same kind of rack-mounted handles they put on the ICOM 7100. Anyway, what do you guys think? Is this a better case than your traditional tower? What do you think?